Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making very different, iron rich, very healthy sweet dish that is called beetroot ka halwa. You have heard about carrot halwa, but we are using beetroot in place of carrot to make more delicious and more healthy. So for this, here is the ingredient: 200 grams of grated beetroot, peeled and grated, 750 ml of milk, 2 tablespoons clarified butter, 100 grams of cottage cheese, sugar as per your taste, and cardamom for flavoring. So take a pan, add 2 teaspoons of clarified butter, let it melt. Now add 200 grams of peeled and grated beetroot, stir fry it for around 2 to 3 minutes. Now add milk, 750 ml. Let the milk reduce, cook for around 5 minutes. Add cardamom. You can use cardamom powder. Mix it. Now add sugar. I'm using around 3 to 4 teaspoons of sugar. Mix it well. Cook it for 2 minutes. Now add cottage cheese, 100 grams grated. Mix it well. Cook for around 2 minutes, and your very different, very delicious beetroot halwa is ready. Thank you.